Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device model and firmware and log into the linked app. This matters because controls vary by version. Once done, backup schedules and settings. Export to local storage or cloud so you can restore if needed. Make sure your cat is fed manually and any collar or smart tag is removed or secured. This prevents accidental lockouts while you change controls. You're starting the removal now to avoid surprises later. You now disable remote access inside the app. Remove all linked accounts and guest users so only you retain control. Then, disable automation rules, scheduled feeds, and geofencing that trigger cat control. This prevents the system from reasserting behavior. Next, reset the device's network settings and unlink it from any smart home hub. This severs the pathways that let other integrations re-enable the feature. If a local web interface exists, check it to confirm those services are truly turned off. Finish by performing a factory reset, then reinstall only the essential firmware or apps needed for the device's remaining functions. This ensures leftover cat control modules aren't loaded. Reconfigure the device for non-cat uses and run manual tests over 24 to 48 hours to confirm it stays inactive. If the control returns, check device logs and automation histories, update firmware, and remove suspicious integrations. If problems persist, contact support with your logs and model info for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.